Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all will be fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. Welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to solve the worksheet on chapter number 13. We will solve the MCQs of chapter 13. In the previous lecture, we solved the worksheets of chapter number 12 and chapter number 23. To solve the MCQs of chapter 13, we will use the identities which you have used in solving the questions of exercise 13a, and these identities are a minus b whole cube and a plus b whole cube. By using these two identities, we will solve this worksheet of chapter number 13. Let's start the MCQs. Statement 1 is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab multiplied by a minus b is equal to what? This is the formula of a minus b whole cube. So its answer is option D. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab multiplied by a minus b. Statement 2 is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube is equal to what? If we multiply 3ab with a and b, then we get minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So statement 2 and statement 1 are the same statements or are the same identities. So its answer will be same, a minus b whole cube. Statement 3 is if a plus b is equal to 1 plus ab, then a cube plus b cube is equal to what? We are given the equation a plus b is equal to 1 plus ab, and we have to find out the value of a cube plus b cube. To find this value, we will take cube on both sides of this equation. After taking cube, this will be written as a plus b whole cube, and this will be written as 1 plus ab whole cube. And then we will expand the cubes by using the identity a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab multiplied by a plus b. When we will open the cubes, then some terms will be cancelled, and the answer of a cube plus b cube will be equal to 1 plus a cube b cube. You will solve this question by taking cubes on both sides of this equation, and then you will expand the cubes using the formula a plus b whole cube. Some terms will be cancelled out, and a cube plus b cube will be equal to 1 plus a cube b cube. Statement 4 is if x plus 1 by x is equal to 5, you have to find out x cube plus 1 by x cube. To solve this question, we will take cube on both sides of this equation, and then we will open the cube by using the formula a plus b whole cube. X plus 1 by x whole cube will be equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 multiplied by x multiplied by 1 by x multiplied by x plus 1 by x is equal to 5 cube. After solving this question, the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 110. This type of questions you have solved in the exercise 13a, and this is very simple question. Statement 5 is if x plus y is equal to 4, then find out x cube plus y cube plus 12xy. To solve this question, again we will take cube on both sides of this equation, and after solving the cube, we will open the cube by using the formula a plus b whole cube. Then after solving the question, we will get this value is equal to 64. Statement 6 is 2x plus 3y whole square plus 2x minus 3y whole square is equal to 1. In this question, we will use the formulas of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, because there is a square in this question. 2x plus 3y whole square will be equal to 4x square plus 9y square plus 12xy, and 2x minus 3y whole square will be equal to plus 4x square plus 9y square minus 12xy. Plus 12xy minus 12xy will be cancelled out. 4x square plus 4x square will be equal to 8x square, and 9y square plus 9y square will be equal to plus 18y square. So its answer will be 8x square plus 18y square. Statement 7 is if x plus y is equal to 1 and x square plus y square is equal to 13, what is the value of x, y? To solve this question, we will take square of x plus y is equal to 1 on both sides. X plus y whole square will be equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 1 square will be equal to 1. Then we will put the value of x square plus y square is equal to 13, and then we will get the value of xy by solving the equation. Actually, in this question, we are given x plus y is equal to 1, and along with x plus y, we are given x square plus y square. As x square plus y square is given, as the value of x square plus y square is given, that's why we will take the square of x plus y is equal to 1 on both sides to find out the value of xy. After solving, the value of xy will be equal to minus 6. MCQs number 8 is if x plus y is equal to 3, xy is equal to 4, what is the value of x square plus y square? To find out the value of x square plus y square, we will take square of this equation on both sides. After taking square, we will get x plus y whole square is equal to 3 square. X plus y whole square will be equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy, and 3 square will be equal to 9. After taking square, we will put the value of xy in the equation, and then we will get the value of x square plus y square by solving the equation. The value of x square plus y square is equal to 1. MCQs number 9 is expand by using identity 1 by 2x plus 2x whole square. We'll open this square by using the formula a plus b whole square. 1 by 2x whole square will be equal to 1 by 4x square. 2x whole square will be equal to plus 4x square, plus third term will be plus 2ab plus 2 multiplied by 1 by 2x multiplied by 2x. 2x will be cancelled out by 1 by 2x, and then only 2 will be remained. So by using the formula a plus b whole square, this expression 1 by 2x plus 2x whole square will be equal to 4x square plus 1 by 4x square plus 2. MCQs number 10 is if find the value of x cube plus y cube if x plus y is equal to 3 and xy is equal to 5 by 3. As we have to find the value in cubes, x cube plus y cube, so we will take cube of this equation on both sides, and then we will open the cube by using the formula a plus b whole cube. After taking cube, this will be equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy multiplied by x plus y, and 3 cube will be equal to 27, and then we will put the value of x plus y and xy in the equation. After solving the equation, we will get the value of x cube plus y cube equal to 12. MCQs number 11 is find the volume of cube with each side 3x plus 5 centimeter. As you know, volume of the cube is equal to length multiplied by length multiplied by length. This is the length of 3x plus 5 is the length of each side of cube. So the volume of cube will be equal to 3x plus 5 multiplied by 3x plus 5 multiplied by 3x plus 5, or we can write it as 3x plus 5 whole cube. And then we will open the cube by using the formula a plus b whole cube. After taking cube, we will get 27x cube plus 125 plus 135x square plus 225x. MCQs number 12 is expand by using identity 1 by x plus x whole square. We will expand this square by using the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. By using this formula, this whole square will be equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. There is a positive sign with 1 by x square and 2. There is misprinting here, but there is a positive sign with 2. MCQs number 13 is simplify 4x plus 5y whole square plus 4x minus 5y whole square. We will open these squares by using the formulas or identities a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. By taking square and then by adding the answers, we will get 32x square plus 50y square. MCQs number 14 is find the value of x plus y if x square, this is a square, x square plus y square is equal to 19 and xy is equal to 3. As we are given x square plus y square, so to find the value of x plus y, we will take square of x plus y, and x plus y whole square will be equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy, and then we will put the values of x square plus y square and xy, and after solving we will get x plus y whole square is equal to 25. Then to find the value of x plus y, we will take square root on both sides and x plus y will be equal to 5. MCQs number 15 is find the value of xy if x cube plus y cube is equal to 12 and x plus y is equal to 3. This is the cube. So to solve this question, we will take cube on both sides of this equation. After taking the cube, and then we will expand the cube, and then we will put the values of x cube plus y cube and x plus y. We will get the value of xy, and the value of xy will be equal to 5 by 3. So this was the worksheet of chapter number 13. The worksheets of chapter 1, 5, 12, 13 and 23 are attached with this lecture in PDF form. Your first term has been completed. So best of luck for the papers or tests of first term. Please do practice of all the questions. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.